Bollywood's megastar Amitabh Bachchan has replaced Mr. Perfectionist Amir Khan as a new brand ambassador of Incredible India. Although some part of Twitterati trolled Bachchan for being a stooge of the government, Tinseltown welcomed the decision of Tourism Ministry and said Mr. Bachchan is the perfect choice to become the brand ambassador of flagship campaign of Indian tourism.
Well, he is incredible, isn't he? So, where he's a great brand ambassador. I have. So was Amir. So was Mr. Bachchan. So would be, many other people. It's outside. The less, you can't sort of really praise Mr. Bachchan enough, can you? There's not much further that has not already been said that can be said about him. He's amazing and he's cultured. He understands culture. He understands India. He is very knowledgeable. He's not just a film actor, but quite a lot beyond that. So great. I have no problem.
I think none better than him. Nobody who represents art and cinema and culture in our country in the films as much as he's done. He's been doing it for so many years, and I think he's one of the perfect candidates for it. Yeah.
I think he's the perfect brand ambassador for our great country. He's a great man and a true icon, and I think he'd be most appropriate to represent Incredible India.
I'm happy. Whatever he does, I'm always with him. So I'm very happy. He's a legend. So I hope whatever the government decides, that will be right.
Very good. Bachchan Saab is the pride of India, और अगर वो ambassador है for Incredible India, it's lovely.
सुपर. हमारे इंडस्ट्री का ही अगर बहुत बड़ा स्टार अगर ब्रांड एम्बेसडर बनता है तो हमारे लिए गर्व की बात है.
Oh, very good. He's the right choice, and all of them are actually the right choices, and I'm sure he'll do great.
Powered by NNIS.